Good morning. It's been pretty busy around here. I had another listing come on this week, and I hope you'll all check it out. It's 37 Elliott in Dennis, West Dennis, and really cute 2-bed, 1-bath, really well taken care of and maintained over the years by the same family. They've been there for decades and love it. Love the neighbors, love the location. It's 7/10 of a mile to the beach, which is awesome. Big beach community. So if you're interested, take a look. It's on my website, it's on MLS, and I'm sure you'll see it in my emails and my newsletter. I also have another one coming on in Dennis, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So I can't really talk about that until it's live, but that is another great location right near Dennis Village, and look for that in the future as well. I hope everyone's having a great week. I hope you keep up with everything that you're doing and enjoying this wonderful weather. And have a great week, everybody.